Today, we've got something truly special. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, a machine that embodies raw American muscle. Dodge has taken what was already a beast and refined it for the new model year, making it even more exhilarating. If you thought the Hellcat couldn't get any better, you're in for a surprise. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat stays true to its muscle car roots. The wide body stance is more pronounced than ever, with flared fenders that house massive tires ready to grip the asphalt. The front grille has been subtly updated, giving it a more aggressive yet modern appeal. The headlights retain that signature sinister look, but with new LED accents that add a fresh touch. Around back, the taillights have been slightly redesigned, and the quad exhaust tips hint at the power lurking under the hood. Speaking of power, let's pop the hood. Here lies the heart of the Hellcat, a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 that cranks out an insane 797 horsepower in the standard Hellcat and an eye-watering 807 horsepower in the red-eye version. That's right, Dodge has once again pushed the limits, making sure the Challenger stays at the top of the muscle car food chain. The sound of this engine alone is enough to send shivers down your spine. Fire it up, and the roar is pure aggression, a deep and throaty growl that turns heads wherever you go. Performance-wise, this car is a monster. The 2025 Hellcat rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds, thanks to its advanced launch control and improved traction system. The quarter mile, just under 11 seconds, making it one of the quickest production muscle cars you can buy. And let's not forget the top speed, over 200 miles per hour, proving that this is more than just a straight-line bruiser. Dodge has fine-tuned the suspension, giving the Hellcat better handling without compromising ride quality. Whether you're tearing up a drag strip or carving through back roads, the Challenger feels more composed than ever. Inside the cabin, Dodge has made subtle but effective improvements. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with Alcantara inserts, giving them a high-performance look and feel. The Hellcat logo is stitched proudly onto the headrests, reminding you that you're sitting in something special. The digital instrument cluster has been updated with sharper graphics and new customization options, while the 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen comes loaded with Dodge's latest Uconnect system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system ensure you're connected and entertained, even when you're not listening to the symphony of the supercharged V8. One of the biggest updates for 2025 is the new driving modes. Dodge has introduced a track mode that further sharpens the throttle response, stiffens the suspension, and adjusts the steering feel for maximum control. Eco mode still exists, though let's be honest, nobody buys a Hellcat to save fuel. And of course, there's the infamous valet mode, which tames the beast, limiting power output when you have to hand over the keys. Fuel economy. Well, let's just say if you're worried about gas mileage, this isn't the car for you. The Hellcat is built for thrills, not efficiency. But that's the price you pay for nearly 800 horsepower at your command. And let's be real, when you're behind the wheel of this monster, the last thing on your mind is fuel consumption. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. The moment you press the accelerator, you feel an instant surge of power. The rear tires fight for grip, and the supercharger whine mixes perfectly with the deep exhaust note. The steering is precise, and while it's a big car, it feels surprisingly nimble. The upgraded Brembo brakes provide incredible stopping power, which is crucial when you have this much performance under your right foot. Whether you're on a highway pull or launching from a red light, the Hellcat delivers an adrenaline rush like few other cars can. For those wondering about customization, Dodge offers a variety of color options, from classic destroyer gray and pitch black to eye-catching Go Mango and Hellraisin. You can also opt for racing stripes, carbon fiber accents, and different wheel designs to make your Hellcat truly unique. And let's not forget the iconic dual snorkel hood, which not only looks aggressive but also feeds air to the hungry V8 underneath. Price-wise, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat starts at around $75,000, while the red-eye version pushes past $85,000. Is it worth it? If you're looking for an unapologetic muscle car with brutal performance, head-turning looks, and an unmatched driving experience, then absolutely. The Hellcat isn't just a car, it's a statement. As the automotive world shifts towards electric power, the Hellcat remains one of the last true muscle cars standing. Dodge knows this, and they've made sure that the 2025 model is one to remember. This might just be one of the final years of the Hellcat in its purest form, and if that's the case, it's going out with a bang. So, what do you think of the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat? Is this the ultimate muscle car, or is it time for Dodge to move on? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.